Tastemakers, welcome to Tanya's Tasteful Table, where we live tastefully for less, and welcome to Tanya's 12 Days of Christmas, where I'm giving you 12 days of Christmas-related content, tips and ideas, gift ideas for the coming up holidays. Today's gift is going to be probably a hostess gift. Let me show you a couple of things I got from Dollar Tree. This came from the Dollar Tree Plus section. They got these cutting boards for $5 each. I have 2 of those, and then I purchased 2 of these wooden trays here. Okay, so you can do a lot with these for gifts. You can give it as it is, put a bow on it, or put some knives with it. But let me show you what I'm doing with one of mine, okay? Okay, so the gift of the day is a hostess gift, and it is a shelf-stable version of a charcuterie board. And I'll show you everything that's in it. Okay guys, everything, this is good for if someone invites you over for a party and you don't want to go empty-handed, a housewarming gift, Christmas gift. We got these vegetable crackers from the Dollar Tree. Everything came from Dollar Tree. And I got some walnuts here. We got some stuffed olives, dill pickles. There's this basil pesto. We have some jalapeno slices. We got almonds here. And since we can't have, and then we got some pecans here as well. And since we can't, have any dairy, this is a shelf-stable item. So just get some of these, this beef and cheese sticks. Put those in there. That's the charcuterie portion. That's the sausage portion. And cheese. And then I garnished it with, some chocolates here. We got some Andy's chocolates and some mint. It's absolutely beautiful. It's $5 for the tray. 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then you got the shreds in here. Everything counts. And we're going to put it in a, you see these, put it on top of some of these shreds. I got these like in a natural color, and it's very beautiful gift. Charcuterie is, the art of making sausages and pâtés. So like if you went to Dollar Tree and got like potted meat is a pâté, and got that luncheon loaf that they have in there, all of that, that's considered charcuterie. So if you want to put cans of that in there. I didn't put that in there because they're so high in sodium, so I didn't want to do that to my guests. But I'm going to put this in one of those. These are a shrink wrap bag that you get at Dollar Tree. Let's see if I turn it the other way. It will be really tight, yeah. Sorry for the loud noise. Put it in one of these. These bags have been hard to find this season, and when I go to the Dollar Tree and find them, I get all of them. So then you can tape it up really tight like this, or you can use your shrink wrap gun, which I have. I have one, but it's stored away somewhere. And then put, like some raffia. Tie it on a bow, put some raffia on it, or put the bow that comes with this bag, just place that on there. I've been using this poor ribbon and just, tie that on there. Okay. We've been doing good, guys. We've been getting a lot done. So this is one more gift down. Okay. Okay, guys, I want to thank you so much for building my charcuterie board with you guys today and sharing in my 12 days of Christmas, where we created gifts and just had a Christmas related content for 12 straight days. I want to thank you so much. This is about $20. It's nice. I think someone would love this. All right, so if you like content like this, I welcome you to join the family, join the table, hit subscribe, and if you like this video, hit the like, comment on my video, and share it, and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload any new content. All right, guys, thank you so much. Thank you for watching Tanya's 12 Days of Christmas. All right, bye, Mom.